My name is Nungo Edwin. I'm a software developer at Zone01 Kisumu. I've been here for about 15 months or so. I've dealt with technologies as JS, Go, which has been a very big one, Rust, and also bits of Python. I've been part of projects such as the Early Chain, which is more of a blockchain-based system, which is an inventory for the lands, which is a thorn in this country, a very big issue. I've also been involved in a real-time forum, which is more of a social site, whereby you can make posts, post stuff, and have private chats and such, groups and such. I've also been involved in a text indexer, whereby it helps, it's more of an AI-powered system which helps in breaking chunks of data, especially when you're looking at reading files, big chunks of data from files. If somebody wants to collaborate or get through to me in LinkedIn, Nungo Edwin, and also GitHub, Nungo Edwin.